How to set a sleep timer on Spotify. If you are listening to music while sleeping on Spotify and you forget to turn it off, then you can use the sleep timer feature. In sleep timer feature, you can set up a time, and when that time reaches, then your songs will get automatically turned off. To set timer, firstly open Spotify on your device. After you have opened Spotify, make sure that you log in to your account. In Spotify, you will land to the home page. Now navigate to the song that you'd like to listen to. You can select songs or album. After selecting the song, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner. When you do that, then this kind of menu will appear. In this menu, at the second last number, you should see the option Sleep Timer. Select the option Sleep Timer. Now you can select the time range. You can either select 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, or the song will automatically turn off at the end of the track. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.